In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make the blanket pants, the tapestry pants with the little fringes on the side. Y'all, I have been waiting to make these pants. The store that I got my blanket from is from Goodwill. I'm pretty sure you can get it from any thrift store, any store basically that sells like the quilty type of blankets with the fringes on the side. I'm pretty sure you can get that from anywhere, but if you want it for cheap, go to the thrift stores because they be having everything. All you gotta do is wash it. That's all you have to do, and then you'll be straight. You can make some pants. So if you're watching this video, go to the thrift store right now and go get you a blanket so we can make these pants together. If you watched my last DIY, you know that I don't have a pattern. I just use my old jeans, and if I decide to make a pattern, then I'll make a pattern. So all you're gonna need is your jeans, some scissors, and some pins. Now, as you can see, I have the blanket laying like long ways, and then like it's, you know, shorter along this way. We're gonna take the pair of jeans and we're gonna lay it along the width part, not the length part, because it's longer and you'll get more pant legs coming down this way. You're gonna take your jeans and you're gonna flip it with the pockets facing each other. This is going to be the front leg. If you want the fringes on the side, make sure you lay the pants on this side of the fringes and you have the crotch area facing towards you. So when I start cutting, I always cut more than the pants. Now what we're gonna do is just take this side that we just cut out and we're gonna bring this side of fringes all the way down here to this end of the fringes. And we're just going to cut out this, and this is our front pieces of the pants. Now we have our two front pieces, and when you pull them out, they're going to be just like this. For the back side of the pants, all you're going to do is turn the pants with the front pockets facing each other and bring out this crotch, and then you're going to lay them straight down like you did the front side. Now all you're going to do is just make the back side. Okay, so real quick in the video, I'm going to show y'all how to make pockets, like inside pockets that go on the side, not some that are on the outer part of the pants, but you know, inside pockets on the side of your hip. So all you're going to do is take that excess fabric that you had left over from the blanket, and you're going to trace your hand. Yes, I said trace your hand. You're going to trace your hand. And then you're going to do that 3 more times. And as far as the pockets, all you're going to do is sew around and leave this slanted part open, and same for the other one. So now that we have the front side of the pants and the back side and the pockets, we're going to start sewing. This is the crotch area. We're going to sew this part down to the crotch and then stop. And then remember, the front side is the one with the fringes on the side. But you're giving me side of the pants and the front side. Now all you're going to do is put the darker sides together, which is going to be the outside, and the inside, which is the lighter side, is going to be on the outside when you sew. So to add the pocket, tuck the fringes in and you start sewing the back like this. You're going to sew down a little ways, then you're going to leave a slight opening. So after you leave the opening right here, the opening is going to be as long as the pocket piece. Don't flip the pocket on the right side yet. You do that at the end. To keep the fringes in the inside, all you're going to do is tuck them like this, tuck them inward, and then put the back side of the pants, put it over like this, and do that all the way down. Tuck it as you're sewing. Okay, so now that we've like sewn all the pants, right now they're inside out. What you're going to do now that you got your opening, you're going to stick the pocket in, the slant going down. You're just going to stick it in here. Stick it in here just like that. And you're going to sew around.